Hey guys, it's Green Goose Gaming back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a crossy road game on Scratch. So first, do one flag clicked, broadcast green flag. Make your character make a play button and a shop button. Then do when I receive green flag show and then the position. Right? Then do when I receive green flag in the player, get a forever loop, get 4 if-then statements, then go to sensing, then get a if key pressed for every single key, the up arrow, down arrow, right and left. Now go to looks. For up arrow, make it the back view. For the down arrow, put the front view. For the left arrow, do the left one, left costume, and do the right one for the right arrow. So now you have a cool animation of your guy that you want to cross the road. So now what we need to do is make the motion. So get 2 change Y's and 2 change X's. Do one of the change X's and change Y's to -3 and the other 2 to just 3, and put in where you want them to go. If you mess up, it's okay. Just do it again and you'll see. So now we have a better character animation because he actually moves. Now go to the play button, make some space, go to get the set size to block and do 80 and get a set size to 100. Get a forever loop in if else statement. Put the 100 in the first one, then in the second one put another 80. Then in the middle of the if and then put if touching mouse pointer. Then it will sense if it's touching, and then it will make a cool effect. And then do when the spread is clicked, make it hide and broadcast a message called play. And now do when I receive play in the shop button, hide, because that's what you want to do when it's time to play the game. Go down, get the hide block, and go back to the play, get the effect block and also drag it into the shop. Then do it under the green flag and it will do the same effect. Then do when I receive play in the player. Do show. Then drag what you had for the green flag. Then in the green flag, go to motion. Drag the guy to the bottom of the screen, because that's where you want him to do it. And then put in the two values of your X and Y. Like that. So go to the bottom of the screen, then hide. So now if we test this, it will show the effects, and if we click it, then it will show the guy. Oh, and also make a background like a road, and one that's just blank. Call it load and road, so when I receive play, do it. When I receive play, switch backdrop to road. When I receive green flag, turn it to load. It's the end of the video.